What you got on there? Is it a crappie?
Nope.
Well, ain't no bluegill. Yeah, it is too. Damn, dude. We don't need him. Did you get him on a worm?
What a crappie, what a crappie, what a crappie. Crappie nuggets. I just don't like casting over here, man, because you gotta cast perfectly and you land in the fucking tree.
Well, we'll just have to go over and get it, because before we fucking leave, I gotta go over and get my damn spinnerbait out of that tree. I'm not leaving it. Well, then again, I might have to. Look how fucking high it is. Might not be able to reach that shit.
No jump on there.
Well, hell, on the damn fish finder, it's showing fish everywhere over here, man. But a lot of them's deep, too, so.
And to post it up somewhere else.
Yeah, well, we'll troll back up. Get him? Damn, he fucking hit that as soon as you threw it.
Really?
It's showing some fish about damn 20 foot deep. But hell, I've not had nothing hit either one of these catfish rods.
They on the tank, dude. They rubbing it.
You know, troll up somewhere else.
Yeah,
I gotta pull anchor back here. Let me go ahead and get this in here fixed first before we do. What the fuck I do that for? Pulling like a bass, kinda. Oh, the fucking sucker, dude. Sucker fish. That's crazy, man. Give me that net so I don't break this line. This line.
Good bait, man.
Yeah, give me that net. This line ain't the biggest line.
Bring him over.
Yeah, that's good catfish bait.
I knew that wasn't no catfish.
No, he was pulling like a damn bass.
That's what I thought it was at first.
That little sucker. On a fucking worm, dude. Catfish bait.
What the fool?
It's a catch.
You bending like it was something crazy.
What?
You bending like it was gonna be crazy.
I thought you was fucking around. I didn't think he even got it by it. You want to keep him? You might want to mount him. Put him over your fireplace. It's your biggest catch, man. No, he's up holding it. What are you doing, man? That was all you, man. That wasn't a boat. Little. Little white bass. What the hell? He turned himself loose. Man, there's a lot of fucking fish right here, dude. Yeah, dude, look here. We sat here with the battery off. It was at 10.6. We sat here with the damn battery off. And it's back up to 11.1. That's crazy. It's showing fish all the way around us right here. And if them bait fishers are up in here, then you know catfish are gonna be running up through here. Some of them look pretty big on the fish finder though. You just got hit. God dang it. A little perch, man. Little perch. That's the first one I've seen this year.
Dang.
Little small one.
We got a variety of everything over here.
You want him?
I've been using the same damn one the whole time.
Yep. Another white. Man, they're everywhere.
Same worm.
Like I got one hit in mine too. Yeah.
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 It'll be a perfect. Never know when it's going to go.
No.
Oh yeah, I was making sure we were still on the water. I want it. In the water. Oh, red belly.
That's a pretty fish, man. Yeah, that's pretty. Something hitting that little red one there. Got him on? Where'd the net at? Where's the net at? Oh, it's way over here. Is that a cat? Yeah, it's a catfish.
Yeah.
Dude, I thought he was gonna be a lot bigger than that the way he was pulling that fucking rod. Still nice one. All right.
Okay.
Seriously?
You good? You already got him. You net him and everything. Why you gotta treat my chicken liver like that? I could have used it again.
I had to get it off the
No,
hook.
just don't get off.
I don't want to hurt the fish, man.
Blow it out. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't want to hurt the fish. He's been hooked before, it looks like.
It's one for the bearded wonder. Can't catch them every day.
He's got the pretty colors too. You want to show your fish to him?
No, I'm good.
Whatever. And he's gone. Man, he fucking took that shit like, I thought he was going to be a lot bigger than that. All right, we'll be back. Don't hit my rod. Hey, I'm recording. Is the pink flamingo put up? Okay, good.
Don't start.
Hey, wait, motherfucker.
Don't run too hard.
I know it. Look at this nasty ass fucking shit.
So you think I'm a duck head or a goose head?
Where?
In here.
Those fucking
Oh,
geese.
it's a duck.
Is it a duck?
Right there.
Are you sure it's a duck?
Duck's it right
It is duck, yeah. Oh, cool. I gotta show this. Hey, buddy.
Is he sitting on here?
Yeah, he said she's.
Hey, she's about to have a lot of baby ducks.
She's got a big ass nest sitting on it, and there's a nest here.
Dude, there's got to be at least 10 like that.
Gotta be. Probably more.
She's sitting on her nest right now.
Yeah, I see that. Oh yeah, he's pulling yours pretty good too. Oh, yeah, I got one. I'm hooked up too. Double, man. Oh, I still got mine on. Oh yeah. There he is. Dude, that was a double, man. What's that? He was decent. He looked like it. Oh, he just threw water all over me. Hold still there, boy. We hooked up at the same time. That was cool. All right. Pretty little flathead. I'm guessing they can see it on the GoPro. It's a little dark out here, but see him? Ain't too bad. All right, buddy. All right. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Hey, baby. No, he's running with it good. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. You got him?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's in my line. Shit. Son of a bitch. Fucking turtle.
Damn. Seriously?
Yeah. Let me get him. Son of a bitch. Little bastard.
Man.
Think it was a big old catfish, didn't you?
Yeah.
You was like, oh yeah. You little motherfucker. And you messed my line up and I was getting a bite.
Dude, that's frustrating as fuck, man. Came up here.
He was like, oh yeah. You thought you had a big ass catfish. He pulled like a catfish.
Dude, he bent it down and everything. Is he wrapped up or something? He swallowed it?
Oh, it looks like it.
No.
If he did, it's his own fucking problem.
He swallowed the whole circle hook.
There ain't no way he swallowed a circle hook. Not this kind of turtle. Did he? Fuck you. Dude, he swallowed that whole circle hook. Ain't no saving him.
Dude.
Well, I'm going to turn this off because I ain't about to record me doing this because I can't help it. You can see, guys, that circle hook is in his throat. You going to tell him what a disappointment that is?
Yeah, he disappointed me. I thought it was a big old catfish.